तो बच्चों एक प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व करते हैं फ्रॉम बोर्ड एग्जामिनेशन. ओके, फ्रॉम द इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड द क्वेश्चन सेज दैट two charges, okay, point charges 4 microcoulomb and 1 microcoulomb are separated by a distance of 2 meter. तो दो चार्जेस है, एक है 4 microcoulomb, दूसरा है 1 microcoulomb, and both are positive and which are separated by a distance of 2 meter in air. Okay, so this is simply the air. Then find the point on the line joining the charges at which the net electric field of system is 0. So हमें क्या करना है? We have to find the point in the line joining between these charges where electric field is 0. So the line joining is this line. Okay, I have drawn this. So this is 4 into 10 to the power minus 6 coulomb, 1 into 10 to the power minus 6 coulomb, and separation is 2 meter. So line joining is this. All this line is line joining, and where I should place the point? I don't. There are so many points. This is also point, that is also point, here is also one point, here is also one point. So from the previous lecture we have got a trick that if the two charges are like charges, okay, if the two charges are like either positive or negative, then that point should be in between the two charges near the smaller one. So this is positive and this is also positive, that is like charges. So point should not be here and should not be here. It should be between this charge and this charge. So towards the near the smaller charge. Okay, that point has to be near the smaller charge. Okay, if it is negative, if it is unlike charges, okay, one positive, one negative, then the point should be outside the charges. Okay, that I will not discuss here. If you want, then leave a comment, I will explain. Okay, so point is between the charges because they are like charges. Positive charge, point is between the charges near the smaller charge, and this P is the point at which E net is equal to 0. It is near the smaller charge, and separation is x from this charge. Okay, one is smaller charge, so the distance from this and this is very close than this one. Okay, it has to be closer to this charge. So the formula of electric field is E equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q by R square. So there are two charges, one at A and one at B. So let me find the electric field. Okay, let me find the electric field due to A. Then this will be 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught. Okay, 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught. Q is how much? This is 4 into 10 to the power minus 6 divided by R. What is the distance R? How much is the distance? From this to this is 2, and I want the distance from this charge to this point. Okay, because I want to find electric field here. So from this to this is how much? You take whole distance and subtract this, you will get that much. So this will be 2 minus x whole square. Okay, and okay, so this will be equal to, let me write this, 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught as k, 4 into 10 to the power minus 6 divided by 2 minus x whole square. Okay, it is done. Now how much is EB? So EB will be again 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught k. How much is the charge? Is 1 into 10 to the power minus 6, and the distance between this charge and this point is x. So x is square. Okay, so now at point E net equal to 0. When this E net will become equal to 0, this will become, okay, equal to 0. Okay, E net is equal to 0 when this EA is equal to EB and opposite. Okay, when? Because if E, okay, in fact this is going that way, it is going this way. I will not draw this here, it will be a complicated one. If one is going in this direction, if one is going in this direction, when it will become 0 here? If you are pulling this, Now if it is large, then it will go that side, and if it is large, it will go that side. But when it will not move, if this and this are equal and opposite in the direction like this, okay, that is this should be equal to this one in opposite direction, and net electric field will be 0. So this must be equal to this one. Then what do I get here? I get what? EA is K 4 into 10 to the power minus 6 divided by 2 minus x whole square should be equal to K1 into 10 to the power minus 6 divided by x square. Then this K cancels, 10 to the power minus 6, 10 to the power minus 6 will cancel. Then what do I get? It's very simple. There is 4, so this is 4 divided by 2 minus x whole square is equal to 1 divided by x square. Okay, so to solve this, okay, let me take the square root both sides. If I take square root both sides like this will become 4 by 2 minus x whole square equal to square root 1 by x square. Okay, then this will become root 4 divided by 2 minus x whole square root equal to root 1 divided by x square root. Okay, then how much will be this? Or root 4 is 2 divided by, it will become 2 minus of x, because this square will cancel this root, and root 1 is 1 divided by x square for x, okay, because this will cancel. Then I will get how much? We will get 2x is equal to 2 minus x, okay, because there is 1 into everything is same, 2x. So imply this, I will get 2x plus 3 is equal to 2. I bring this here, imply this, not x, this is x, okay, then 3x is equal to 2 and x is equal to 2 by 3 unit, or simply x equal to 2 by 3 meter, because it is given at meter. It means that at x is equal to 2 by 3 meter, the electric field is 0. Okay, here then this is equal to 2 by 3 meter. Now one more thing is there. If you take this as x, okay, I have taken this as x, but if you take whole from this distance to this distance as x, then you will get another answer, that x will be equal to 4 by 3 meter. Okay, so you should not get confused with 2 by 3 and 4 by 3. In some book you may get 2 by 3, and in some book you may get 4 by 3 because of my choose. If I choose this x, from this to this I will get this answer, from this I will get this answer. What does it mean is, this x is the distance from this charge, that is 2 by 3 meter, and this x is the distance from this charge to this point. Okay, both are actually same. From this to this, here is 0. From this to this also, here the electric field is 0. Okay, you should not be confused with these two things. Okay, thank you.